Have another one?
December 25th, 2012.
Feeling sick, please come here, honey.
Oh wait, we gotta read the tag first. Who does it say? To Pamela, love, Mommy. That one's for Mommy. Oh, how nice. She got me a new house coat. Can I see Sierra? Here, Dustin.
You hear the puppy?
A new house coat for Mom.
You got a new house coat? Holy, this is a special watershed moment here.
Nice and fluffy.
Pam, eh? You wore that house coat for what, 10 years?
Cool. No, not 10 years, like 3 years.
Oh. It seems like you've had it since we met, and that was 5 years ago.
From my mom. Paris.
Taylor, is your puppy feeling better? Taylor, can you show Daddy your puppy?
A towel.
Tummy? That's cute. Sierra, is there any more? Is there some more? Wow. Sierra, you'll have to draw Daddy a picture later.
Okay.
On your new easel. You gonna open that big one?
Those are cute.
Taylor loves that.
You love the painting easel, don't you?
Did your mom get you that?
Yeah, it's nice.
It is.
Should we phone her at 7 in the morning and thank her?
Why not? She's up. Sierra, you should get your next one, honey.
That one says, to Sierra, love Grandma and Grandpa.
Honey, can you go grab my coffee and put a little bit of light cream in it and a little bit of sweetener?
Well, why don't we just pause the video and I'll let you do it.
Okay, how do we pause?
Just push the...
That red one?